Welcome. In this video we will see Nmapping in Kali Linux. As I discussed before, Nmap stands for Network Manager and is an open source tool for network exploration and security auditing, which comes inbuilt with Kali Linux but is also available for Windows OS X and many more Linux platforms. Nmap also has a graphical user interface called Nmap. For the scope of this course, in this video, I'll just use Nmap to do port scanning. Nmap can do many more things, but for this course, I'll just cover port scanning. First, let me show you all those websites on which I will do port scanning using Nmap. The first website I would like to port scan is google.com. This is the website I will do port scanning. And after that, I would like to port scan youtube.com. Then after that, I would like to scan my own router. Or else instead of that, I would like to scan the IP address of my own hosting or my college hosting. So basically, I'll just use one address instead of URL. So let's begin. First, open up the terminal. If you have a doubt that Nmap is not installed, you can type this command, that is sudo apt-get install nmap, and hit on enter. As in my system, it's already installed, as Kali Linux come with pre-installed Nmap. If you are using some other Linux operating system, then for this command it will sure install Nmap for you. As Nmap is installed, I would like to begin by port scanning of google.com. So for that, I will type nmap space www.google.com. It is showing starting Nmap 7.01. Nmap scan report for google.com, and it has given its IP address, that is 172.217.26.196 of a web server. And the host is up, and the other addresses for google.com, which is not scanned, and DNS record, and not shown 998 filtered ports, the port and its start services. As you can see here, 80 TCP, 443 TCP, and it's done. One IP address is scanned in 4.92 seconds. So the next, I would like to scan some direct IP address of web server, that is nmap 198.168.0.1. The host is up. You can see which ports are open. One IP address scanned. Now let me try on youtube.com. For that, I will again type nmap space www.youtube.com, starting nmap. So the result is just like we did for google.com, but the IP address is different and DNS is also different. The list of open ports, and that's it. Now let me scan IP address of some web server again. It is some different web server which is running, and it has already one website hosted, that is nmap 172.168.0.1. Just observe this output we are getting. Later on in next video, we will discuss what this output mean and what kind of conclusion we can conclude by doing port scanning. In this video, just concentrate on using Nmap to do port scanning. So that's all in this video. If you're not getting any output from Nmap, do check internet connectivity and do use Kali Linux operating system where it supports. For Nmap, I would like to say one thing. If you did this port scanning in laptop and you are not getting output like what I'm getting, then boot up Kali Linux operating system on your desktop and try this again. You will sure get the output. For me too, it happened the same. First, I tried to do this Nmap on my laptop. I didn't get any output. Later on, I tried in my desktop and I got this all outputs. If you did on a desktop, then also you're not getting any kind of output, do post in Q&A section. I will sure reply you. The main reason that it works on a desktop but it may not work on a laptop, because laptop has different configuration. It is made for Windows itself only, whereas desktop supports almost all kind of operating system. The main problem you may face is configuration of hardware on Kali Linux operating system. Thank you for watching this video.